everyone, Kaylee Ocampo here. I am so excited to introduce you to my good friend, Dr. Tim Harrigan, who I have partnered up with because he has been a vital part, an instrumental part in my healing journey through labs, testing, and the amazing products that he has formulated and introduced to the world and helped many, many lives. So really quickly, Dr. Tim, please tell us a little about who you are and where you come from, what you do.
Absolutely, Kaylee. It's been a pleasure knowing you for several years. And as you know, I love taking medical tests and evidence and blood work and using powerful nutritional formulas to influence those things, right? Most people run to the medications, not realizing medications are the fourth leading cause of death in the United States. If you look at a book called Death by Medicine, it's insane. You know, I personally have not had a prescription in 25 years. My children, which we were told we would never have, by the way,
Wow.
have not even had a simple Tylenol or NyQuil in their bodies. How do we do that? We have a specialized knowledge. My obsession is using evidence-based tools such as nutritional therapeutics to affect my health for prevention, for optimization of physiology. And I'm a facts guy, so I love the tests. I need to do blood work to confirm what I'm doing. I like the evidence. We do EKGs, all that type of stuff. But I don't like medications. They're the fourth cause of death. So my obsession for 20 years has been looking for, finding, testing, confirming the most powerful plant supplements, some animal, but mostly plant products that affect these diagnostics the best. So again, I haven't had a prescription in 25 years. How many people can say that? My wife was told, as you know, she could never have children because of her PCOS and other issues. We have 4 kids. How do we do that? She didn't use medications to get to that point where she could have children. So since then, thousands of patients later, we've gotten pretty good at this. So I partner myself also with the most powerful, best in class formulas or nutritional extracts in the world. Mm-hmm. So when we discuss that, we all had to kind of be a part of this mission so that we can get these out to the world. A lot of people have heard of companies like Nugenics, these big brands that sell a lot of product.
Huge.
Well, I compare everything to everything in the world. So we have something that's the next generation of what Nugenics uses for hormone, immune, and metabolic health. And that's why we've partnered up.
I am very excited about this new product that we are introducing to the world. It has helped me on my health journey. And when I first met Dr. Tim, it was because I was seeking more education in the health space. This is something that I'm very passionate about, wellness, and that is, what is wellness, right? It's overall wellness, a holistic approach to your entire livelihood and how you live, how you eat, how you move, how you think, how you feel. And all of that is based in nutrition, which is what I absolutely love about what you do and what his focus is it's nutritionally focused, but science-backed, evidence-based information and education that is truly impactful, not only just for myself and what we've gone through with my healing journey, but with the people and the lives that he has changed over the course of his career. So we're very excited to introduce the next amazing product that I can't say enough about. Tell us a little about what this awesome product is coming out.
So the first formula has taken 30 years of research, identifying, sourcing, concentrating, extracting, studying, researching to get to where we are now. So I've partnered with another company that provides these raws. We've worked with them for 18 months. We finally have our first product called Epic Tea. It is so powerful. It is so safe. There's really 5 different drug categories that provide a certain physiological benefit. You know, people know of drugs that inhibit testosterone from converting to estrogen. That's a bad thing. We don't want that to happen.
Right.
So there's drugs with 5 different categories that do certain things or inhibit certain things in the body. If I can find a plant extract that does those things, but without the side effects medications come along with, why wouldn't you do that instead?
Right.
So that's the goal, is to find the most powerful stuff in the world. So Epic Tea is the first powerful doctor-formulated kind of clinician product that's as powerful with clinical studies to help change physiology. And some of these things we might use a medication for. So, but keep an eye out. We have the best in-class extracts. We're gonna have lots of powerful products coming out over time.
Yes.
That's just the first one, called Epic Tea.
Yes, and I wish I knew the things that I know today a few years ago before I got into this world of a mess that I'm dealing with physiologically. But thank God I know Dr. Tim, and we've been able to approach it in a natural way and see side effects that I was having completely dissolve. A lot of benefits there. But yes, epic tea is the next best thing. And we're gonna give you more information on that as we develop and get this out to the world.
Stay tuned, everybody. This is just one of the many things that are going to be coming out soon. So stay tuned. Keep an eye on us for a while. You're going to see the most powerful plant extract formulas the world has ever seen that we get to introduce to the world. So you're going to be first to see these as we create them.
Yes, thank you guys so much. See you soon.